Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Redbus and sign in. This links the history stored to your profile, so start on the device you normally use. Once logged in, tap your profile icon and choose Settings or Account Preferences to find history controls. Make sure the app is updated and you have a stable connection because options may hide in older versions. This step prepares the interface, so you can access history management immediately and avoid syncing errors. Now go into Booking History or My Trips. This is where Redbus lists all past bookings tied to your account. Once there, use the date filters or search to narrow results. This prevents accidental deletion of important trips. Select the trip entries you want to remove. Many interfaces allow multi-select, which saves time. After selecting, look for a Delete or Remove option. You do this step carefully because it determines which records will be cleared from your visible account history. When you tap Delete, confirm the action. Redbus may ask to verify because server-side records sometimes remain. Once done, restart the app and revisit booking history to ensure the entries are gone, since a quick refresh can show final results. If deleted items reappear, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in. This forces a fresh sync. If problems continue, contact Redbus support with Booking ID. They can purge server-side entries or explain retention rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.